Start the lacing style by taking the lace down through the outside first hole. Just bring it up a little way into the shoe and then pass your lace across the front to bring it down through the opposite first hole. We're going to bring the laces together and pull up to make sure that the laces are the same length as each other. So I'm just going to pull on that bar, tighten it up, and then we're going to start with the outside lace, bringing it up through the third hole. And then we're going to pass it across to the opposite third hole. Making sure all the time that your laces are nice and flat. Then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring that up through the inside second hole. And bring that across the shoe to the opposite second hole. And keep that lace in your hand, miss that hole and come up through the outside fifth hole. And take it across to the opposite fifth hole. Bring the inside lace up in the next available hole. And then take that across to the opposite hole. Just going to tighten this one up a little bit. And it's a good idea every now and again is to pull your shoe open just a little bit to make sure that all your bars got the same tension as each other. And then we're going to take the outside lace, miss a hole, and come up through the next hole. Take it across the shoe and make another bar, bringing it down through the opposite hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace and bring that up in the next hole on the inside of the shoe. And across to make another bar. So now you've got all your bars running up your shoe. I've left the last two holes on the top so that when you bring your tongue up you can see the logo. Now to finish off this lacing style, just to make sure that the laces don't start to wear out of your hole when you're wearing the shoe, you can tighten a factory knot. So if you bring your two ends of the laces together and make yourself a loop, take the lace through the loop and bring it up, and there you'll have made a factory knot. So that goes behind the tongue, and you'll wear that knot then between your foot and the tongue. Just make sure all your bars are sitting evenly spaced from each other. And there you have your bar laced Vans Sk8-Hi.